ganda ng ano na to, oh. Talagang naglinya talaga sila dito. In fairness naman sa kanila. Oh, ang ganda, ang cute. Talagang ginawa ito para sa kanila, I think so. Ang cute. Ang cute lang. Ang cute lang tingnan ba? Okay ba? Excuse me. Ang cute-cute nila. Kahit may tao na, sige lang, dyan lang sila nakalinya. Diba? Ang ganda ng view. Nakakatawa. Cutie seagulls! Tahimik nila, oh. Ang ganda lang. Ito ang view na OAMARU. Yes. Ito lang siya. Ito lang view niya. This is the dredging jetty. This is the OAMARU heritage. Yes. No domestic. I see the Davey. No domestic rubbish. What do you mean by that? No domestic rubbish.
Oh, they mean rubbish from your house. It's only rubbish for people down here walking past, or not. Look at all the boats. Yeah,
that's all. Is that still working or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
These boats are for the people that. You know what these are for? The ones that own their boats out there. These are the rowboats that they use.
When we go there,
yeah,
they use this one.
When they go, they've got their own little boats backed up.
Hi.
Clean a road for you, aren't they?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what we're waiting on, but we're not.
I'm sorry, we don't have any foods here. Naghihintay lang sila ng foods, pero wala kaming dalang pagkain. Sorry. So, hanggang dyan na lang muna. Bye! Ay, ang cute naman, oh. Cute nila, in fairness.